to Asia Nabosa! Ate, dali nga sa nag-esa. Pakosta mo na. Kinuha ko na kayo. Kumalik sa iyo. Wala ba ka tapos siyawan? Kumalik siya masaya kayo. Ate na. Tapos ito. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this one now. Your host, Miss Asia Nabosa! Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold it back. You should jump and dance with me. This woman's my destiny. She said, jump and dance with me. You got me caught with hypocrite tonight. Now let's see the bass of the fading. I know we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arms, I thought of hopping, we took the blow and she said, oh, down the back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold it back, we said jump and dance with me. This woman's my destiny. She said, jump and dance with me. Ito kayo, kasama po kayo sa part nito para supportahan ang ating po ng ating deliver. Ninong? Ay, basta kayo po na lang siya, I understand. Okay, kung hindi dito kasi ito lang pati para doon. So, first time, okay, ganito gagawin natin, ha? Pag introduce sa kanila, pag tutulong kasi pinapagpasok nila dyan pa lang sa harapan, i-appreciate natin ang ating ganito, pasunod ka, parang nagpa-party. Tapos sabayin nyo ng sayaw. Sige, try nyo, sabayin nyo ng sayaw. Come on, yung parang nagpa-bounce ng body nyo. Yan, ganyan, perfect. Huwag nyo titigilan hanggang hindi nakitinag yung festival, ha? Para pagkatapos ng ano, tapos kayo na. Okay, yes na! Please welcome our newly back to couple, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up to Amber and Eileen! Bigyan niyo mga white ano nyo. Come on, people. Yan, tuloy-tuloy na. Walang ito. Yung bounce ng body nyo. Ayan, ganyan.